Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. This message is called Petridish. So there's a petri dish, and what scientists do is they add different things in to see how the specimen reacts or responds to any irritants or any compliments. And so what God Almighty was showing me, that as we see one petri dish, there is yet another petri dish and another. And God has the final say of all things. But beautiful soul family, you too have a petri dish. You see, what you do in your life, what you add in your life, and what you take out of your life gives you the fullness of your life or may drain your life. You have the final decision of what you do. But beautiful soul family, continue to let God have the final say, and He will always see you through. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. God bless.